This is the practice test for fractions, and here we're working on problem number 19. And the problem says a hospital's patient is to be given 2 5/8 tablespoons of medication per day in 3 equally divided doses. How much medicine should the patient be given in each dose? So the key words here are 3 equally divided doses. So we're going to take the total amount that the patient is to receive per day, and we're going to divide it by 3, and that's going to give us the amount in each dose. And so we have 2 5/8 divided by 3. If you were to do that on your calculator using the fraction key for the mixed number, you would end up with your final answer of 7/8 tablespoons per dose. I've done it here by hand, and whenever we are multiplying or dividing a mixed number, we first change it into an improper fraction. 8 times 2 plus 5 is 21 over the 8, and we're going to divide that by 3, and I can put the 3 over 1. The rule for division of fractions is keep, change, flip, which means I'm going to keep the first one the same, 21 over 8, change the division to a multiplication, and then flip the second fraction and make it 1 over 3. Now the 21, I can break that down into a 7 times a 3, so I'm going to cancel a 3 on the top and a 3 on the bottom, and now I would just multiply 7 times 1, get 7 on top, and 8 times 3, 8 times 1 here. This is now a 1 because I canceled it. 8 times 1 is 8, and I have 7/8 as my final answer.